Hi, my name is Tasha and I'm a student at Le Cordon Bleu in Hollywood, California. And today we are going to make one delicious Hawaiian chicken salad. Here are the ingredients for the Hawaiian chicken salad. We have red pepper rings. We're going to use just a little bit of honey. And this morning I toasted some almonds. So I slivered them and chopped them, so freshly toasted almonds. This brings out the flavor of the almond. Pineapple tidbits, and you can buy this in the grocery store. It's very easy, it comes in a can. A little bit of Dijon mustard or some brown mustard. Of course, some chicken. Now I'm using some chopped chicken, but you can use cubes of chicken. It's really a personal preference. The sesame seeds will give it some island flavor. I have some chopped red onions, a little bit of red wine vinegar. The secret ingredient is actually soy sauce today. We're going to be using a little bit of mayonnaise and some salt and pepper for seasoning. So let's get started with this Hawaiian chicken salad. It's really easy, and like I said before, it'll take about 30 minutes to make. So first I'll start with my chicken. Again, it can be cubed, it can be diced, it can be shredded. I'm going to put 2 generous tablespoons of chicken into my bowl to start. And then the pineapple, this really gives it some Hawaiian flavor. And I'm going to add some pineapple juice too from the tidbits. And we're going for the rest of the ingredients now. So the roasted almonds, put 2 teaspoons of roasted almonds, sprinkle the sesame seeds on top. Then I have diced red onions, about 2 teaspoons of diced red onions. Red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon. I'm going to put a half a teaspoon of some brown mustard. I'm using Dijon, by the way. 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Let's not forget the honey. So about a half a teaspoon of honey. You can use any kind that you have. And a little bit of salt, of course, to enhance the flavoring, and a little bit of pepper. Now I haven't forgotten my peppers. I'm using this as a garnish, so we'll use that at the very end. And the last ingredients, which I said before, was the soy sauce. I'm going to put about 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and mix it up. This is really exotic. It has some crunch, it has Hawaiian flavor, and the pineapples really give it some punch. So I'm going to grab a piece of romaine lettuce to plate this. And I'm going to spoon the salad across the romaine. And then as a final decoration, here go the peppers. And then I'll just sprinkle a few more sesame seeds just for a garnish. And voila, you're ready to serve to all your Hawaiian friends or wishing you were in Hawaii. Aloha.